Pacific Drive. I'm pretty stoked on this. A little survival game based around a station wagon. Ooh, we're a courier. Stay on the roads. Look at that. Look at this. Look at this. Get ourselves like a, oh yeah, like a definite Chevy Express van. Which has park and drive. Alright. Typical driving controls. Hell yeah, let's do this. Oh yeah, look at that. What? Wipers. Oh, I'm about this. I am supposed to go this way, right? Like, I just assumed that that was not the right way. I don't really know. We're gunning it. We're just going. Full send. For full send, this is a disappointing pace. Well, they said stay on the road, but road's blocked, so already just taking chances, you know. Drove by that sign too fast to read it said, so it can't be that important, right? Things are starting to get a little, yeah, it's starting to get a little weird. Less and less like a good idea. Like maybe staying on the roads was a good idea. Maybe that was important. We should go back. Well, that was some timing. Oh, jeez. What? The Fire Nation's coming. Look at all that ash. Jeez. Yeah, I recognize that tire. Oh, what? Oh, shit.
Hello? Someone out there?
Can I kick that?
Hello? I could have sworn never mind. Francis, the radar's acting up again. You were supposed to tune up this piece of junk years ago.
Anything else here, though? Big bumper. Okay. Alright. Right bumper is like the action button, I guess. Oh, I like this. Gotta put it in not park.
Oh, the signal. Yes, it's back. It's back. This is Tobias Barlow and Francis Cook, located in mid-zone sector B. Do you read me? I'm picking up your distress signal in the outer zone. It looks like you're somewhere around sector E. Hey, Francis,
right.
come here.
Real hard.
Yes, it's urgent. Leave that interferometer alone for a second. Something is out there.
Yeah, she pulled it right hard.
One. Hey, do you copy? Hello? Hello?
No response.
Thing working?
They don't have a transmitter. We won't hear a thing back.
Huh. But if they're stranded, could they mean they're from outside? They're a preacher? Hey, how did you get through the barrier wall? No one's gotten into the zone in ages and lived to tell about it.
And if we don't get them to safety, this one won't either.
Yeah.
Good point.
Do it.
Hey,
Let's
you're
go.
in serious danger. The instability's closing in, and it's gonna scramble you quicker than beef in a blender. Your closest shelter is a few miles east. Get there however you can, and be quick about it.
Okay. Uh-oh. I don't like that sound. Come on, buddy. Come on, come on, come on. Let's get out of here, man. Let's get out of here.
Hold the phone. There it is again, that blip on the spectrometer. I've seen that
What?
waveform before, but where? Could it be? A remnant?
That can't be. There hasn't been one in decades.
Look at that spectral fingerprint and tell me that doesn't match the remnants exactly.
No. What we should be looking at is how fast this creature seems to be moving.
Huh. You know, if I didn't know better, I'd say they're going about the speed of a... No way. No way. Do not tell me. They found a remnant and it's a car this time? Holy cripes!
Oh,
no
sick.
one's handworking wheels in here for ages.
Just slide.
Boy, I'd kill to know how a combustion engine's still chugging away out there.
Okay, let's not get ahead of ourselves. First, the breacher
Yeah.
to get to safety. Then we can look into whether that car is a remnant or not.
In my heart of hearts, I already know. They're back, baby.
Whoa. What? What? Just put the wheel on. I did not even see that mission flip switch. I guess I should be looking at my top right here. Backpack from a table.
Who's there? The shop has been breached. You've got 5 seconds to get the hell out before I... Ow! My head. It's an emergency broadcast.
Hello,
Mechanic's
attention.
eye.
This message is for Dr. VehicularTurtle. We sent a breacher to your garage on official zone business. Now, we have it on very good authority that this person is in possession of a remnant, which has taken the form of a car, and, well,
You're on the remnant thing. She's not gonna care.
right, like I said, super official zone business. Protocol, demands that you keep them alive until we can get them to safety. Now, if you do not comply, I will occupy this broadcast channel with a recitation of the entire collection of poems I've personally written. That's 10 years and 17 volumes and...
That voice goes like a nail gun to the skull. So, another breacher, huh? How do you outsiders not understand that Arda didn't build that 300-meter wall out there for fun? Unless you're one of the unfortunates who got zapped through. Wait, I just remembered. I don't give a damn why or how you got here. You're trespassing, and I'd kindly like you to get the hell out of my zone. Unfortunately, the barrier wall is as fortified against breaches trying to get in as it is against anyone or anything trying to leave. We have to find you a way out. So you might as well start by fixing up that car. Just don't break anything in my shop with those soft hands of yours.
Pry bar. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, I like the inventory management thing going on here. Wait, gather items from abandoned car. Okay, just hit it with the pry bar. Alright. Oh, that's unfortunate. Oh, what? There's a dumpster? What? What? It's like Borderlands over here. Alright. Heck yeah. With a magic dumpster here. Oh, friendly dumpster. Okay, can I scan this? It's not. Okay. Ooh, what's this? Yo. Oh, well, this is better. This is way better. Yeah, now we're talking. That pry bar, man, I was worried about that with the tire. Like, that's gonna take forever. Another door. Yep. We can chop up anything with this thing, huh? Pine tree. I mean, there's like a competing gas station out here that's black ice. It's a car air freshener joke, in case you weren't sure. Or bench, but it says door, so we're going for it. Repair putty. Get the repair putty from the locker. What do they want me to repair? Structural parts. That panel's pretty beat. Use one for the stuff that's closest to screwed, right? Like just that, huh? For sure. How far does this putty go? Oh, that far. Exactly that far. Need to be repaired? Seems to want it all repaired. Oh, wait. What was that? Flat ceiling kit. Repair flat craft. I'm using a ceiling kit. I saw the spare, but that says summer and that said spare. I'm assuming that means something, and I'm going to try to avoid using the spare. So we can. Okay, good deal. We can make a ceiling kit. Ew, I like how that ceiling kit works. Just foams the outside and refills the tires. Sick. Hey, you little kitty wampus. Got a control arm failure here? Maybe a tie rod? Left bumper, huh? Oh, it's loose. I just put it on for the second time. How is it loose? This? Mechanics kit? Okay. What do we do here? Re-trigger? Yep, that's tight. Oh man, I want this dude's wrenches. Oh, what? Oh, I gotta bolt those down. You know, as you do. Cardboard boxes. I love this. Oh, sick.
Oh, there's a little prototype of mine in the garage. The arc device. Hook it up to your car, wherever it'll fit.
Arc device. Oh. I did not see that. Ah, hold on, I meant to scan it. Oh, seriously? Right in here? Okay. Had that door open. Can I scan it now?
This beauty won't just be your tour guide. It's your North Star and the only way back to safety. Heck, you should consider it the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit if you plan on staying alive. That's how important this thing will be to you.
Oh, hello. Battery. Does the car not charge its own battery?
If you're all set,
Do I
take
get
a
to
look
add
at
an
the projector
alternator
against the wall.
Projector against the wall, huh? Right.
This is the zone. Within these borders, all matter has lost the ability to hold a constant physical state. What that means is the shape, size, and makeup of just about everything constantly changes. A mile of grass can turn into 10 miles of swamp in the blink of an eye. It does. Constantly. It's caused by something we call instability. We're completely surrounded by it, and once you've watched it chew through entire mountain ranges, you'll understand that you don't want to get anywhere near it. We can only survive in here within pockets of stability. That's what you're standing in now. And that's what you're seeing mapped on the route planner. If we're going to find you a way out of the zone,
You'll need to build a new antenna. Until then, you won't be able to detect stabilized routes beyond your immediate area. So, you've got to go hunting for parts, and that means taking a drive. Go on, pick a route. The arc device in your car will then show you where you need to go.
Okay, so that's kind of my GPS. Well, we're going here. Let's go. Alright. Residential damp forest outer zone. Perpetual stability.
Okay, newbie. I'll keep this simple. Don't want to overwhelm that little brain of yours. You'll need a few things to rebuild the antenna at the garage. First on the list is plasma. The woods are littered with plasma generators. Look for a research trailer or a spark tower. That's those antenna things zapping you when you get too close. Both are always accompanied by plasma generators.
The
Oops.
ARC device is picking up on some.
Plasma generators nearby.
Your headset has a built-in scanner. Use it on the plasma generator, and it'll figure out the tools you need.
That's gotta be talking about, right?
Ah, looks like it's
Impact
ripe for the
hammer.
picking. Can't get at it with your hands, though. An impact hammer will do the trick.
Guessing we're gonna need my stuff back. You know, so maybe pack it in the car, just be safe. Scrap some stuff, collect some things. It looks like they want me to build some parts of the car. I think I can do that.
Look at you, out in the zone all on your own. They grow up so fast, don't they? And I'll be back at the helm. Been a long time, old gal. Didn't think we'd talk again after that whole Sasquatch incident.
Yes, I was hoping to go another decade without hearing your voice again. What, did you finally talk Francis to death?
Hello to you too, Oppie. And no, I'm still here.
The light. I don't like that it's providing light right now, so I'm gonna leave it, but on my way out this door. Ah, finally something for the prep ought to do. There we go. Oh, what did you pick up? Chemicals. Reverse gas cartridge. Gas cylinder. I think I need one of those for the impact hammer, right? I figured we can get this thing. Oh, what? Each one's individual?
You're an individual.
Yo, what's up, Turtle?
What's up, baby?
Not much, my man.
Driver, I bet you're dying
I'm
to hear
assuming
all
you're
about the
recording
remnants
right
by
now.
now.
I am indeed, but I can take a break.
Oh, you're
I'll get you
good.
the
What are you
basics, I
playing?
promise.
I'm just playing Pacific Drive, man. Getting started on it.
You 60 seconds.
That is not nearly enough time to get...
55
Pretty
seconds.
cool,
and
man. I'm
counting.
building my station wagon right now.
The remnants ensure
Oh,
that road
yeah.
objects that do
Collecting
all sorts of weird
materials.
things. They bind themselves to people, and you're the latest victim. You and the car are inseparable now,
spreading
so
democracy.
get acquainted.
Oh, you're
Once the
spreading
remnant is
democracy?
bound to someone, they become gradually more obsessed with it. It takes over the victim's mind until they go crazy and run off into the zone with it. No one has
Almost
ever
at
been
level
able
10,
to resist its
so
siren
I can get the
call.
guard dog.
That fixation is probably worming
Guard
its way
dog?
into your brain as we speak.
Yeah, it's
This
a
is the first time we've ever got our hands
support
on one.
item you carry on your
But we
back,
know
and
all
it's
about the
basically a
past
gun that
remnants.
flies
And
around with you.
gosh,
Ah.
this one time it materialized as an old copper kettle, and the tea that came out of that thing, it was...
And now I'm splitting the
Wait,
transmissions
what?
going to your receiver. Anything critical to
Opie, I
your
wanted to hear
immediate
about what the
broadcast
tea did.
directly and immediately to your radio and headset. Anything not
They're warning me about
mission
falling in love with the
critical will be on a
station
low
wagon, and it's like,
priority
well, of
frequency.
course.
Those transmissions will be recorded and indexed for you to listen to at your leisure.
How could you
And by
not?
low priority,
Yeah, I mean,
just
it's a
about
station
everything that
wagon.
comes
I
out
already
of the
love it.
virus's mouth.
The inventory management system in this is cool, though. It kind of reminds me of like a little Tetris game.
Kind of like RE4.
RD4?
I was gonna say, you probably never played that Resident Evil 4.
Oh, no. Do you have to, like, actually move things around in your backpack so that they fit in specific places?
Mm-hmm.
That's exactly it.
Yeah, it gives you like I want to say it's like a 6x9 grid, and everything takes up like 1 or 2 spots depending. And a lot of times you got to do Tetris and spin it, flick it, and turn it so that you can get everything in there.
I haven't found a way to spin things around that would be super useful, but so far it's just like there's 3 cardboard boxes in your car that have a distinct shape, and there's a backpack that you carry that has a distinct shape, and you have to fit things in its slots.
Outpost facilities, they've all been abandoned
kinda
since the
cool.
zone was decommissioned in 87. Most of those structures won't even be there the
Ooh, I
next
can
time
make
the
2 impact
instability
hammers, but
scrambles the
or
area.
craft
So
2
loot to your
scrappers,
heart's
but
content.
should I
Just
though?
loot away.
Or should I build another door? Wait, did I need another door? I think I needed another door. I'm an idiot. Of course I need another door. The hatch is missing, so that's got to be a door, right? Unless they have hatch down here. It's got to be a door. Taking the chance. Yeah! Now we got a hatch. Oh, where's my impact hammer? Oh, I need to make 2 gears. Alright. Got ourselves an impact hammer. How does this beast work? Oh, it's like one of those comical, like, punching glove devices from old cartoons. Winds up and smacks shit. I like it. Can I impact hammer this? I can, but I don't think it's better than the scrap.
Technically, you can impact hammer anything.
True. I don't like the noise I'm hearing here. Getting pretty scared. Oh god, what the f... Okay. Are we worried about that thing? Like, fucking UFO thing just flew past me. I don't like how close it is to my wagon. Yo, you can destroy the mailbox. You don't get any scrap from it, though.
You were saying there's a horror aspect to this as well?
Yeah, it's supposed to be a horror survival game, to my understanding, and I'm starting to think I should really be running away from this UFO thing. I don't know. I'm gonna load up my gear here and maybe make a run for it? I don't know.
It's usually the best bet to run.
About to find out what this thing can do.